Milan's living room, Corso Vittorio Emanuele II. We walk down Milano's most famous pedestrian area. Watch our video guide with rich infographics, learn all about it, and what to see around. Read along with our video guide to learn about what to see and do in the area. Corso Vittorio Emanuele II starts from Piazza San Babila and extends to Piazza del Duomo. It's a pedestrian area, about 500 meters long. You can get there either using the metro station San Babila or Duomo. You will find a combination of low-cost international brands next to luxury boutiques. Worth visiting is the Basilica of San Carlo al Corso. On the corner of Via San Paolo, turn right to Piazza del Liberty and the Apple Store. The Space Cinema Odeon plays selected movies in the original language, not Italian voiceover. Fashion chain stores are usually open until 9 p.m., 7 days a week. Keep watching as we walk along the area. For more travel videos about Italy, watch our playlists per city. Subscribe to youtube.com/besttravelvideo and turn the notification bell on, to never miss any updates. Follow us at instagram.com/besttravelvideo, tiktok.com/besttravelvideo. For more, visit our webpage besttravelvideo.com. Watch our shorts videos. Subscribe and turn the bell on, to never miss new uploads.